Little update on Pavells truck experiment here. So the last update I did, he hadn't got much done on the rear end. But since then, a turn of events have happened. Pavells has purchased 4 more trucks. This one here just arrived. I think it's a 1951 Ford truck. It's a flatbed. This one came with the motor and transmission in it. It's in a lot better shape than the 55 he bought. My first look at the cab. Pretty bad like the last one, but still not nearly as bad. It's got all the inside components. Everything was missing on the other. So I'm guessing he's either gonna get this one going or mix and match all the parts so he has everything he needs to get it done. Now, one thing cab wise, the body is way better. It's not as many dents and dings that are on that other one. And also he spent like over $1,000 on just these pieces, front emblem and those side pieces, and here they're already there. Pretty perfect condition. His grill was all dinged up. This one's pretty perfect. I don't know, but there should be 3 more on the way. 50s models. I think there's a late 80s model coming. So you know, he's moving on it. I'll get some video of those other trucks when they arrive. After he bought the rear end, he came back the next day with a motor. This motor may go on that truck. I'm not sure what his plans are at this point. I guess he's gonna see what happens with that truck and when the other 3 arrive. But I think this was a 305. He said he was gonna put in there an 04 motor, 5.8 liter. So we'll see how this all goes, guys. I'm really excited to see him put it all together. Yeah, can't wait to see the other trucks too. Stay tuned though.